Let's get straight to it. You need a website that's more than just a digital business card. ASP.NET is your go-to for a robust custom-built site, but it's not a plug-and-play solution. Think of it like building a custom gaming PC. You need to know every cost upfront or risk running out of resources halfway. Budgeting is your blueprint. It keeps your project on track, prevents nasty surprises, and helps you prioritize what matters most. Mapping out costs forces you to separate must-have features from nice-to-haves, making your goals and limits clear to everyone involved. A detailed budget isn't just about avoiding sticker shock, it's your roadmap for ongoing costs like maintenance, hosting, and upgrades. Your website is a living asset, not a one-time purchase. Plan for recurring expenses so it doesn't become a burden later. Every dollar you plan for is an investment in your business's stability and growth. We'll break down every cost, from domain fees to custom development, so you're ready for your next developer meeting. No more guesswork, no more surprises. Let's dive in and make sure your investment pays off for years to come. Ready? Here's what you need to know. Let's get started. ASP.NET is Microsoft's powerhouse framework for building secure, high-performance websites and web apps. Unlike WordPress, which is like snapping together Lego blocks, ASP.NET gives you the raw materials to build anything, from a simple site to a digital skyscraper. It's built for security, scalability, and seamless integration with Microsoft's ecosystem. Think Azure, SQL Server, and more. The framework itself is open source and free, but the real cost is in the expertise required. ASP.NET developers are specialists, not generalists, and their skills come at a premium. You're not paying for the framework, you're paying for custom construction by expert hands. With WordPress, you tweak a template. With ASP.NET, you build features from scratch to fit your business perfectly. That's why ASP.NET projects cost more. It's tailored, not templated. If you need a solution that fits your business like a glove, ASP.NET delivers. But remember, you get what you pay for. Choose wisely. Before any code is written, you need to lock in the essentials. Start with your domain name, your digital address. It's usually $15, $30 per year, unless you want something ultra-premium. Next, hosting. ASP.NET sites need Windows-based hosting, which is pricier than standard Linux plans. Expect to pay $50, $250 per month for a solid VPS, or more for cloud hosting like Azure. Don't forget about database licensing. Many ASP.NET sites use Microsoft SQL Server, and the standard version can cost $1,000, $5, $000 plus depending on your needs. Some opt for open-source databases to save, but if you need SQL Server's power, budget for it. SSL certificates are a must for security and SEO. Basic ones may be free, but advanced certificates can run $100, $700 per year. These foundational costs are non-negotiable. Skimping here is like building a house on sand. Get these right, and you're set up for a stable, secure project. Don't overlook these basics. They're the bedrock of your website. Every dollar here protects your investment. Plan for these upfront to avoid headaches later. The right foundation means fewer surprises down the road. It's the smartest money you'll spend. Let's move on to where the real costs kick in. Design and development. Here's where your budget really gets tested. Design and development. UX/UI design isn't just about looks, it's about making your site easy and enjoyable to use. Expect to pay $5,000, $25,000 for professional design, depending on complexity. Development is the big-ticket item. ASP.NET developers charge $80, $200 per hour. A simple site might take 100, 150 hours. A complex one can easily hit 1,000 plus hours. Custom features like a CMS, user portals, or advanced search add significant time and cost. Every feature must be defined and estimated before you start. The equation is simple. Hours x hourly rate equals your development cost. High price tags reflect the expert work and time needed to build a custom, robust site. Your website needs to connect with other systems, payment gateways, CRMs, email platforms, and more. Each integration takes development time. Simple ones might cost $1,000, $3,000. Complex ones can hit $15, $000 plus. Once live, your site needs ongoing maintenance, security patches, updates, bug fixes, and backups. Maintenance retainers typically run $300, $2, $000 plus per month, depending on complexity. Think of it as regular tune-ups for your digital engine. Skipping maintenance is a fast track to security risks and costly emergencies. Good plans include performance monitoring and a few hours for small updates or enhancements. This keeps your site evolving with your business not falling behind. Integrations and maintenance are essential for long-term success. Budget for them from day one. Let's put it all together with real-world numbers. A basic business site, think 5 to 10 pages, custom design, contact form, runs $15,000, $35,000. Mid-level projects like e-commerce or custom apps with user accounts typically cost $40,000, $100,000. Enterprise-level platforms for major corporations or government, budgets start at $120,000 and can soar past $500,000. The more complex your needs, the higher the cost. These are 2025 estimates in Canadian dollars. Actual costs vary by project and provider. Use these ranges to plan realistically. Know what tier your project fits into before you start. The right investment matches your ambition and business goals. Don't under-budget and risk a half-finished site. Plan smart, spend wisely. So, do you really need ASP.NET? It depends on your business needs and budget. For simple sites, blogs, portfolios, small stores, platforms like WordPress or Shopify are faster and cheaper. Don't buy a race car if you just need a daily driver. But if you need high security, massive scalability, or deep integration with Microsoft tools, ASP.NET is a top choice. It's built for complex custom solutions. Think financial, healthcare, or enterprise apps. The key is matching your platform to your requirements and growth plans. List your must-have features, consider your 5-year vision, and be honest about your budget. With the right info, you'll know if ASP.NET is a smart investment or if a simpler platform will do the job. Make your choice with confidence.